white Mustang versus the black Mustang. The black Mustang gets the move and the clear. So he got to clear him, got to daylight him on the top. Let's get it. Carry through the beams one time. They trying to get right. We're gonna see who gonna get who. The white Mustang gotta sit there before he can take off, because the black one gets some boost. Goddamn black Mustang sound good over there too. Here we go. The black Mustang got there first. Good run.